Programming a cassette. Programming a cassette with Griffon is so easy that even a CPI sales rep can do it. There are two methods for programming a cassette. You can use the cassette model code or create a custom cassette. Before programming a cassette, be sure the coin tubes are empty. Method 1. Using the cassette model code. Each standard cassette has a cassette model code. This code can be found on the label, which is located on the front lower section of the cassette. To program a cassette using the cassette model code, follow these steps. Press the menu button, then press the letter D for cassette. Enter the letters located on the cassette model code label. In this case, the cassette model code is A. Press the letter F to save your programming. Griffon will restart. If prompted, press Start to calibrate the tubes. Once you have a successful calibration, press the menu button to exit the cassette programming mode. Griffon will now check the tube capacity and display the amount of change in the tubes. So that's it. Your cassette has been successfully programmed and Griffon is ready to go. Now here are the steps for method number 2, creating a custom cassette. If you don't have a standard cassette, then you will need to program a custom cassette. This involves programming individual tubes. Follow these steps to program a custom cassette. Press the menu button, then the letter D for cassette. Select the menu button for custom. Use the MMI to choose the tube A through F you'd like to edit. Scroll through the coin list by pressing the D or E buttons until you see your coin. Press the letter F to save your choice. Repeat this process for each tube you'd like to program. Remember to save your choice on each tube. When all tubes have been programmed, press the menu button to save your programming. Griffon will restart. If prompted, press Start to calibrate. Once you have a successful calibration, press the menu button to exit the cassette programming mode. Griffon will now check the tube capacity and display the amount of change in the coin tubes. So that's it. If you'd like to learn more about Griffon, Talos, or any other CPI product, please feel free to contact me. I can be reached at john@brockcompany.com.